Dave, as much as we all love patching, they also make us nervous. Can you talk about why does patching remain one of the biggest threats to high availability, and where do most HA strategies break down during routine maintenance?
Well, patching is risky because you're intentionally changing something in a system that people rely to be stable. Most outages actually occur during maintenance and not during random failures. So when you apply a patch, you're introducing new code, new drivers, maybe a reboot. Sometimes these things interact with applications in ways that nobody expected. Where HA strategies often fall short is that they are designed with disasters in mind. So they answer questions of what happens if the server crashes, but they don't always answer the question, well, what happens when we purposely take down a node or an application to patch it? So if the architecture does not include a clear maintenance workflow, you end up with a lot of anxiety around patching. So people delay it, which creates security risk, or they rush through and hope nothing breaks. But a good HA design should make patching feel routine instead of stressful.